Hello and welcome back everyone. This is another exciting video, and today we are going to look upon the major part of the application, which is the authorization. So in the previous videos we seen the front end and back end of the authentication. Okay. In this video we will implement the authorization part. What does it mean by authorization? So authorization is the role based access. So as we done the authentication, so it means authentication asks like who are you. Authorization part which asks user to like what you can do, at which level access do you have, which is handled by the authorization part. So without further ado, let's get start into this. So guys, I am in the VS Code and I have opened this folder backend which we built in the previous videos. Okay, so first of all, let's get start this folder. Okay, so cd to backend and npm and dev. Now we are having C hello world. Okay. Now we will implement the authorization part. Okay. First of all, what we need to do. Okay, we'll go to the model and we will change this schema. Okay. We will add the role over here so that a user can have the role. We are providing two roles, which is the type of enum and it is having this admin or user. Okay. The user can either have the admin or the user. Okay, and default is user. Now what we will do, we need to create a middleware. Okay, so which will check the role of this user if this is the admin or the user. Okay, so we will create a new file called the admin middleware.js. Okay, what it will do, it will say export the const admin middleware. So it is we can have the not equal over there. If this is the case, then do this, otherwise do this, and we don't need this else part. Okay, okay, so this is the simple admin middleware, okay, that we created. Now see, in this auth router, okay, while we are creating this token, we need to also embed this role over here in the token. So we will do that. We'll say role is the user dot role. Okay, so we embedded this role in the token. Now, while this auth middleware get this user ID from this token, we will also say that request dot role is going to be decoded dot role. Okay, so this will set this request dot role is equal to this role that we have embedded this in the token. Okay, and now let's create a simple admin route also, so that we'll say admin. First of all, we will check the auth middleware and then we will check the admin middleware so that it should be an admin only. And if this is the admin, then we are sending this 200 and welcome admin. And if we don't have this admin, then we are saying that 403, that means 4 middle. Okay. So we have, I think, implemented this authorization part. Now let's restart the server and we will go to the postman. So as I recorded this video previously, but it did not get recorded. So I created the admin user. Okay. So I will show you that. So this ASDF is the user. Okay. It is not admin. Okay. So first of all, let's log in with, we'll say login with this ASDF credentials. Okay. So as you can see, login successful. This is the user. Okay. So when I will go to the admin route, and in the get request it will so it is having some error, cannot reading role in the admin middleware. So we don't have the request.user.role, we will say request.role. Okay, so let's restart the server. So we'll restart this and now let's try to get this. So you will say access denied because we have the user logged in right now. And now let's log in with the admin. So we had the admin, okay, and the password was also the admin. Now you can see login successful. This is the admin and the role is also admin. Now I will get the admin route. I will say admin and you can see we are having the welcome admin. So this is how you can implement the authorization part in the application. Okay. So yeah, guys, we have implemented the authorization in the backend only. So in this next video, we will implement same in the front end also. Okay. So I hope you guys loved this video. And if you found this video helpful, you can like this video and you can subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.